Here's how to factory reset your iPad Pro. This is what you'll do before you sell it, give it away, or trade it into Apple. Jump into Settings. General, scroll all the way down until you see Transfer or Reset iPad. Click that. We're going to click Erase all content and settings. We're going to hit Continue. Erase iPad. Punch in your PIN. We're going to actually skip backup because we already have a new iPad set up. But if you don't have a new iPad set up and you're looking to do that, you'll want this process to go through. Put in your Apple password. This turns off Find My and Activation Lock. We're going to hit Turn Off. Now it's going through the process of erasing everything and resetting your iPad. Just so you know, this process takes several minutes, so be patient while everything erases and resets itself. And that's it. You're all set up for a brand new user. This is factory reset. Just so you know, that took a solid 5 minutes to actually reset itself. So be patient, and that's it. I hope this video helped you out, and I will catch you in the next one.